Little chef wakes with morning light, puts his hat on tall and white. Stretch, stretch arms, wiggle toes, off to the kitchen little chef goes. Little chef runs to the sink, splishy splashy, what do you think? Soap so bubbly, hands so clean, shiny fingers, squeaky sheen. He grabs a bowl both round and wide, sets it down with pride inside. Tap the bowl soft and light, tap, 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 oh what a delight. Tiny bowl of berries red, little chef nods his head. Berries in, he cheers with joy, a tasty treat for girl or boy. Next comes flour, white as snow. Puff, it flies up high, oh no. Little chef laughs, flour rain, let's shake it off again and again. Egg on table, tap, 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 crack it open, snap, snap, snap. Whisk it fast, whisk it slow, round and round the egg yolks go. Milk goes glug, sugar goes sprinkle. Little chef's eyes begin to twinkle. Stir it gently, stir it loud, stir with me, he calls the crowd. The dough is sticky, oh my, little chef gives it a try. Push it down, roll it back, make a ball for a tasty snack. Into the oven the dough must go, little chef tiptoes nice and slow. He presses the button, ding it lights, now he waits with all his might. Waiting is hard but fun to try, little chef begins to sway and sigh. He does a wiggle, he does a spin, kids join in with a silly grin. Suddenly ding, ding, the timer pops. Little chef jumps, bounce and hop. Cookies smell like heaven sweet, warm and soft for all to eat. Friends all gather in a line, cookies please, they smell divine. Little chef smiles full of cheer, sharing treats with loved ones near. Kitchen clean, adventure done, little chef had so much fun. Hat comes off, he waves goodnight.